This is 8th education, class 10 CBSE, chapter 3, pair of linear equation in two variables. Example 4, solve the following pair of equation using substitution method. Before exercise, mainly concentrate on graphical method. இதுக்கு முன்னாடி எக்ஸசைஸ் வந்து ஃபுல்லாக கிராஃபிக்கல் மெத்தட் தான் ஃபாலோ பண்ணோம். இப்போ now we are going to use substitution method. It is very easy when compared to graphical method. Given 7x minus 15y is equal to 2b first equation, x plus 2y equal to 3b second equation. Okay, which is very small x, 7x, instead of 7x, x. Therefore, x is equal to, take this in next side. Okay, b third equation. Substitute 3 in 1. X க்கு பதிலா instead of x substitute this 7 into, instead of x substitute this 3 minus 2y minus 15y is equal to 2. Therefore 21, multiply this inside, minus 14y minus 15y is equal to 2. Take this 21 to this another side, minus 14y minus 15y, 2 minus 21, this minus 29y is equal to minus 19, minus cancel, y is equal to 19 by 29. We found y. The next step is to find x. Therefore we will put y equal to 19 by 29 in equation number 2. Therefore we get x plus 2 into 19 by 29 is equal to 3. Next step, multiplying this, we get 38 by 29 is equal to 3. LCM 29, instead of taking LCM, we will take this into next side, 3 minus 38 by 29. Okay, x is equal to, multiply LCM now, 3 by 1, therefore into 29. 3 into 29, which is 87 minus 38 divided by 29, which is equal to, x is equal to, which is 49 by 29. Therefore solution, which is x is equal to 49 by 29 and y equal to 19 by 29. Okay, thank you.